issued a flash flood warning for eastern Frederick County in north central Maryland, north central Montgomery County in central Maryland, Carroll County in north central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., radar indicated trailing thunderstorms over portions of the area. Local law enforcement officials reported flash flooding and several road closures in Frederick County. Some locations that will continue to be affected by the heavy rain include Ballinger Creek, Damascus, Frederick, Green Valley, Manchester, Mount Airy, Newmarket, Taneytown, Walkersville, and Westminster. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches have fallen, and additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground.